very vocal right now. Maybe we're by a nest and he's not happy. I need a more powerful zoom, honey. I wonder if I could get a converter on this thing. But the thing with the converter is that it cuts down on the light, and this isn't the best lens to begin with. Right, and focus it. Alright, I gotta be careful because I don't have very many pictures on this thing. You getting them good? Can you see? Oh, I can kind of see it. So focusing is good, okay? What you should do is you should go out to a tree and steady yourself. That works good. Understand? Yeah. Here, I got binoculars. You should look at it. She's being very vocal. Maybe there is a nest in here. Oh, he's got like a white stripe down the center of his back.